Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman at your service. Guys, we are going to repair Samsung LED TV. The trouble is double image. Let's test the unit. As we can see, the trouble is double image. Here is the model of the unit. Okay guys, let's start to troubleshoot and repair the unit. As we notice, the unit has a T-con board. Let's check the voltage reading in the T-con board. V-in is 12.60 volts DC. VGL is negative 7.44 volts DC. VGH is 28.25 volts DC. AVDD is 16.34 volts DC. VCOM is 3.27 volts DC. Let's go to troubleshoot the unit. Let's check the unit. As we notice, the unit has double image. Basically, the problem is in the panel. Let's remove and hang the right ribbon wire and check the panel. As we notice, the picture is normal at the left portion of the panel. Okay, let's return the right ribbon wire to the socket and let's remove and hang the left ribbon wire and check the panel. As we can see, the double image are in the right portion of the panel, which means that the right portion of the panel is defective. And here, we are going to apply our troubleshooting technique to repair the problem. Okay, let's repair the problem of the unit. Let's identify in the right socket the location of all clock signals. Guys, in actual connection, the clock signal are in parallel. That's why we can easily locate the pin terminals. Here's the location of the clock signal going to the right top board of the panel. We're going to block all clock signal going to the right top board of the panel. Let's count 10 strips from right to left of the right ribbon wire. That's the location of our blocking materials, which is thermal tape or Scotch tape. At least 10 strips to block the clock signal. Okay, let's test the unit if the blocking approach is working. Guys, it works. We repaired the unit. Guys, if you like this content and you want more videos to come, just support my channel. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Maraming salamat po.